Hi, welcome to this tutorial on the nationality of a booking. Knowing where your bookings geographically originate from helps you to focus your marketing efforts and measure your success. We will show you now how easy it is to add the nationality to a booking and report on your nationality trends. Should the nationality of a booking be known at the time of creation, it can be added to the reservation during step 3 of the build process. Guest nationality, click on search button. Here, pre-built nationalities are shown and can be selected to the reservation. Now, should the nationality be determined at a later stage, then one can add that to the booking. Simply go to the booking as indicated on the second screen to the right. In the reservation, click on the Notes tab, and here at the bottom we'll have nationality. Here again we can add the nationality to a booking. Let's now look at the reporting on the nationalities. In this case we've used a financial analysis report. We've set certain filters to show nationality, bed nights and revenue total over a certain period, and the following figures were generated. As with most reports, we could analyze further specific areas, in this case those with no country. Click on that and display the resultant reservations making up the no country area. These can now be amended simply by clicking on the relevant reservation and going in to the notes and adding on the nationality as indicated now. Let's have a look where these nationality codes are built in the system. Let's go to Administration, Setup, Code Tables, Other, Country. Click on Country. Here we can see those that have already been built in the system and where we can add additional ones into the reservationing system. We hope you found this adding nationality tutorial and reporting on nationalities on reservations useful.